Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're looking at a small but mighty TV box with all the goodies, the WE2USAT P6 Mini. This is a compact Android TV streaming dongle that promises 4K performance, light gaming capabilities, and a surprisingly modern OS. But is it actually the best streamer for your setup? Let's jump into the details and find out. Also, we are having another giveaway. Yep, we are going to be giving this away to one of our lucky viewers, so keep watching and we will go over how you would enter for a chance of winning. First, let's see what's inside the box. You get the P6 Mini dongle itself, which is impressively small, about the size of a large USB drive. Along with that, there's a power adapter, a USB-C charging cable, the user manual, and the remote control. One thing I love about the design is how discreet it is. It's finished in a clean white and tucks away right behind your TV. Despite its size, it's got some great connectivity options. You'll find a reset button, an Ethernet port for stable wired internet, which is rare for dongles this size, a USB-C port for power, and a full-sized USB-A port for things like keyboards or external storage. This is a traveler's best friend. It's very portable, nice to take with you on trips so you can just plug it in the hotel TV and have everything you would at home. The remote is pretty standard but functional. It has dedicated buttons for YouTube, Netflix, Prime Video, and Disney+, plus a mouse cursor mode and voice control. Setting it up is a breeze. Just plug it in, follow the on-screen prompts, and you're ready. Now, the P6 Mini runs Android 14 TV OS. It's clean, app-driven, and very easy to navigate. Unlike some TV boxes that use a clunky tablet version of Android, this uses the genuine TV layout, which makes a world of difference for usability. Under the hood, we're looking at the CPU is a quad-core ARM Cortex-A35. The GPU is styling an ARM Mali G31, supports Vulkan API. It comes with a 4GB RAM and a generous 64GB of storage. The output is a 4K UHD resolution. In my testing, the UI felt snappy. It also comes with a very recent Android security patch, which is great. For those of you who value privacy, I also tested it with a VPN Surfshark, and it handled the encryption without any lag in the stream. The Google Play Store gives you access to all the big names including Netflix, Hulu, and YouTube. One of the biggest pros for this device is its Widevine L1 certification. Widevine L1 is the highest level of Google's digital rights management, DRM, allowing devices to stream HD, 4K, and HDR content from services like Netflix, Disney+, and Amazon Prime. It requires hardware-level decryption and processing within a trusted execution environment, TEE, which prevents screen capture and content redistribution. L1 is crucial for premium content, whereas L3 restricts devices to SD. I was able to check out live TV and movie stuff, and have to say they did very good without hesitation and tons to watch. They have a really good live TV recording function I am sure you're going to like. I know, because that question is asked a lot. Now, it's not going to be like a standalone DVR, but it does the job and does it pretty well. You can schedule a recording from the program guide or while you are on the channel by pressing down and click on record. You must have a USB thumb drive storage, though. Once you're done recording, just go over to the recording menu to view and play the recorded video. Having a large movie library is always fun and keeps it interesting. As with most apps, they give a smart category-based navigation. You can see they list movies, TV series, choose one, and now you can search through genre or use the search. As you can see in the upper right corner, the count as to how many there are. This stick has plenty of entertainment for just about anyone. If you're a casual gamer, the P6 Mini did pretty good. I tried out beach buggy racing again using the remote, and it was responsive with decent graphics. Okay, why do I use beach buggy? Well, because it's fun and has some pretty good graphics, but hard to steer with a remote control. You won't be playing high-end stuff on this, but for family fun or arcade titles, that 64 gigabytes of storage gives you plenty of room to download a library of games. Okay, let's talk about benchmark scores. After running its way through the stick, it came up with a very respectable score of 112 single core and 370 multi core score. For what this stick is designed to do, that is a healthy benchmark score. If you look into the settings and get to the device control settings, and there you can choose a startup app for when you turn the stick on. You can set up the hotkeys for a quick button on your remote control. This section just gives you much more control of the device. So is it worth it? The pros: ultra portable, perfect for travel or secondary TVs. Up-to-date OS, running Android 14 is a huge plus. The connectivity on this P6 Mini is fantastic, no complaints. The 64 gigabyte storage is up there with the big boys when you usually get about 5 gigabytes in the minis and sticks out there. The cons: while it's snappy, it's not a powerhouse. If you're looking for heavy-duty gaming, you'll need something beefier for that. The bottom line: if you need a more affordable, effective way to turn any dumb TV into a smart one with all the fixins, especially for a bedroom or a travel setup, the WE2USAT P6 Mini is a solid contender. It's compact, handles 4K beautifully, and doesn't break the bank. Now is the time to learn how to enter for a chance of winning this WE2USAT P6 Mini. First of all, you must be subscribed to the channel, smash the like button, and write a comment with hashtag WE2USAT on this video. Now you're entered. And if you forgot and wanted to buy Jim or I a coffee, just use your phone's camera on this QR code right here. You can also use the link in the description and on top of comments to do a very nice thing. Remember to add your name or call sign, and we will start acknowledging our supporters in upcoming videos. But what do you think? Would you consider picking this over others? Let me know in the comments below. If you enjoyed this review, hit that like button and subscribe for more tech deep dives. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.